Hello everyone, I welcome you all back to my YouTube channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing the sewing tutorial of this particular dress. I've already cut it and I'll be dropping the link down below if you are yet to see it. So let's proceed. First of all, I'll go ahead to join the center part like this. I added 1 inch allowance for mine, then I'm going to be joining it with 1 inch allowance. For the two sides as well, I'm going to be joining it with the allowance added. And for the back cover as well, I'm going to be doing the same thing to it. I added half seam for the joining, then I'm going to join with half seam allowance for the both sides. After that, this is what it looks like. Then I'm going to proceed to stop stitch like about 1/2 inch in order to put the pony in. Just create enough space for the whole side so that the pony will go in freely. Place your bra cup on the bra cover like this, and if you have a gum you can just use a gum to secure it, or if you don't have it you can use a pin to secure it. Notch the center part if you want to get a good result, and fix the bra cup from the center part like that. This is after I fixed mine. In order to get an accurate result as well, make sure the bra cup is sitting on the bra cover very well. And after that, we proceed to fix our pony. This is the pony. If you want your pony to go in freely, make sure you bond the edge of the pony and leave about 1/2 inch for the other down part. For the center, leave about 1/2 inch upward and downward, because we are still going to be placing our lining on it. And do the same thing to the other part. This is the back side. Go ahead and join the two together like this, and do the same thing to the other side. After you are done, then fix it together like this in order to get to one. Place it on the front part and take your measurement, your accurate measurement. Split the remaining allowance into two, one for the front side and one for the other side. That means the back. Guys, please, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so. Subscribe, press the notification bell, like, share and comment. Just please subscribe. Do the same thing to the back as well, and we have this after you are done. For the down parts, go ahead and fix your zipper parts together in order to get one. Place the front parts on it, then take your measurement. For this particular dress, there's no need for you to add any dart, but if you wish to add a dart, you can as well take a dart. Go ahead and take your proper measurement for your waist, hip and the down part, then join it together for the both sides. After joining, this is what it looks like. But before you join the two together, we are going to be fixing that stripe. Go ahead and measure about 16 inches. I minus 8 inches upward for the front part and as well for the back part as well. So that is why I have 16 inches for the total. Then I added 1 inch allowance and it makes it 17. This is exactly how you are going to fix it. Just watch the video and you're going to get it perfectly. Go ahead and fix all the linings together, and this is what it looks like after I've joined the lining for the upper part. I joined everything together because I won't be fixing the any hammer to it, and I don't want any rough edges showing. So that is why I place my lining on it and I fix everything inward. This is what it looks like afterwards. The next thing is for you to fix your zip and you are ready to rock your dress. If you find my video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, share, comment, and if you are yet to subscribe as well, subscribe to my channel. Let's grow together. This is what it looks like. It's giving, neat and perfect. You can also drop where you are watching us from under the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye.